Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Hello everyone. Today, we will focus on DTC P0405, which stands for EGR Valve Position Sensor Circuit Low Voltage. This Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, relates to the exhaust gas recirculation, EGR system, particularly the EGR valve position sensor. The EGR valve position sensor is crucial for measuring the position of the EGR valve, which helps control emissions by recirculating exhaust gases back into the engine combustion process. This sensor is typically located on or near the EGR valve itself in the engine compartment. If the EGR valve position sensor circuit reads low voltage, it can lead to inefficient engine performance and increased emissions, making it necessary for us to perform thorough troubleshooting to identify and resolve the issue. DTC P0405 is associated with issues in the EGR valve position sensor circuit, particularly indicating low voltage readings. The EGR valve position sensor, also referred to as the EGR valve lift sensor, EGR VLS, plays a pivotal role in monitoring the actuation of the EGR valve. This sensor is usually situated at the EGR valve, which is typically mounted on the intake manifold or exhaust system manifold. Its purpose is to inform the engine control unit, ECU, of the valve's precise position, ensuring optimal management of exhaust gases. When this sensor fails to send appropriate voltage readings, the DTC is triggered, indicating potential issues within the EGR system, such as faulty wiring, sensor malfunctions, or even problems with the powertrain control module, PCM. Identifying the root cause is crucial in efficiently restoring the system's function. Several factors could contribute to the activation of DTC P0405. One possible cause is a malfunctioning EGR valve sensor, which may fail to produce the necessary voltage signals. This can occur due to electronic component failures or physical damage to the sensor. Additionally, an open circuit in the wiring that connects the sensor to the powertrain control module, PCM, can lead to low voltage readings, indicating a severed or damaged wire. Moreover, a short in the wiring could present similar symptoms, altering the expected electrical flow. Proper identification of these causes is essential to effectively remedy the underlying issues, especially as they can lead to significant emissions compliance issues or impact vehicle performance negatively. Each possibility requires careful examination of the circuits and components involved to ensure accurate diagnoses. Symptoms associated with DTC P0405 can manifest in various ways, primarily beginning with the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard. Drivers may also notice engine performance issues, such as reduced power or acceleration, which can be significantly frustrating while driving. Additionally, there may be a noticeable increase in emissions due to the improper functioning of the EGR system, potentially leading to vehicle compliance issues. In some cases, the vehicle may experience rough idling or stalling, particularly during acceleration. Recognizing these symptoms allows motorists and technicians to address the problem promptly before it exacerbates, ensuring the vehicle operates smoothly and within regulatory emissions standards. The overall performance and efficiency of the vehicle depends significantly on the correct functioning of the EGR system. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0405 involves verifying the problem by turning the vehicle to the on mode. Utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, mechanics must check specific parameters, particularly the voltage generated by the EGR valve position sensor. According to diagnostic thresholds, if this voltage is less than 0.31 volts, it confirms a failure condition. If the readings meet the threshold, which indicates normal operation, the issue might be intermittent, pointing towards potential poor connections or loose terminals, either at the EGR valve or the powertrain control module, PCM. an onboard snapshot of the DTC can provide valuable data by helping replicate conditions under which the failure initially occurred. Thus, careful monitoring and precise measurements are paramount to determine the next course of action in the troubleshooting process. In the second step of troubleshooting DTC P0405, the vehicle must be turned off before proceeding. The next move involves disconnecting the EGR valve 5P connector. Once this is done, turn the vehicle back to the on mode to commence the voltage checks. It's crucial to measure the voltage between specified test points on the EGR valve connector. Test point 1 refers to the female terminal number 2 of the EGR valve 5P connector, while test point 2 corresponds to female terminal number 3 on the same connector. A reading of approximately 5.0 volts indicates that the VCC1 wire is functioning correctly. Conversely, if the voltage reading fails to meet this requirement, it suggests that there is an open circuit issue in the VCC1 wire connecting the PCM to the EGR valve that needs immediate attention for repair. The third troubleshooting step for addressing DTC P0405 necessitates turning the vehicle off once again. A jump needs to be made on the SCS line using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, for about 1 minute to reset the system. After waiting, the next task is to disconnect the PCM connector C, specifically the 51P connector. At this point, a continuity test should be conducted between the defined test points. Test point 1 is the female terminal number 4 of the EGR valve 5P connector, while test point 2 corresponds to any body ground. If continuity is present, it confirms that the EGRL wire has a short circuit, indicating further action is necessary to repair this wiring. Absence of continuity would inform the technician that the EGRL wire is not shorted and encourages movement to the next troubleshooting step. Continuing with the fourth troubleshooting step for DTC P0405, technicians must again check for continuity, this time focusing on the EGRL line. Ensure the vehicle remains in the off mode, with both the EGR valve 5P connector and the PCM connector C, 51P, remains disconnected. The continuity test should occur between two specified test points: female terminal number 4 of the EGR valve connector and terminal number 46 of the PCM connector. Successful continuity indicates the EGRL wire is intact and undamaged, confirming that there are no open circuits in that section of the wiring. Should the test reveal no continuity, it suggests an open circuit exists in the EGRL wire that needs to be repaired to restore appropriate function and voltage readings. Each testing stage here is vital for isolating faults within the system. In the final troubleshooting step, we move on to checking the internal circuit of the powertrain control module, PCM, after ensuring all previous steps have been addressed. Begin by connecting terminals A and B, which are identified on the EGR valve 5P connector, at female terminals number 2 and number 4, respectively, using a jumper wire. Subsequently, the PCM connector C must be reconnected to allow for further diagnostic evaluation. Once connected, exit the SCS mode with the HDS tool and turn the vehicle to the on position once more. Here we will recheck the parameters, specifically the EGR valve position sensor voltage. If readings remain below 0.31 volts, further investigation into service information specific to this DTC is recommended, or substituting a known good PCM for testing can help. Should the DTC clear with the new PCM, replacing the original PCM would then be necessary. Otherwise, if readings improve, it would very likely indicate that the previously tested components require replacement. After completing the necessary repairs or replacements for DTC P0405, it is imperative to verify that the repair has been successful. Begin by thoroughly rechecking the EGR system function to ensure proper operation and confirm that all replaced or repaired components are working as intended. This process involves careful inspections and potentially using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Again, to check the parameters and voltage readings from the EGR valve position sensor. Once satisfied with the EGR system's function, clear the DTC codes stored in the vehicle's computer system to reset any alerts. Subsequently, a test drive of the vehicle should be conducted, observing its performance closely to ensure that no symptoms reappear and that the check engine light remains off. These steps are essential in concluding the repair process satisfactorily and ensuring long-term reliability. Preventive maintenance is crucial in preventing recurrence of DTC P0405 and ensuring smooth vehicle performance over time. Regular diagnostics checks should be scheduled to monitor the EGR system's functionality and catch potential issues before they escalate. Additionally, inspecting the wiring and terminals that are associated with the EGR valve and the powertrain control module, PCM, is equally essential. Loose connections or corrosion at these points can lead to intermittent failures and are easily overlooked. Keeping the entire EGR system clean and free of obstruction not only promotes efficient engine operation, but can also enhance overall vehicle performance. Leveraging preventive maintenance is a proactive approach, essential in upholding the longevity of the vehicle, while also reducing repair costs in the future. In conclusion, DTC P0405 reveals underlying issues with the EGR valve position sensor circuit that can significantly impact overall vehicle performance and emissions control. The detailed troubleshooting steps illustrate a systematic approach necessary to accurately identify and rectify the root problems. We have explored possible causes, such as malfunctioning sensors or wiring issues, that require careful diagnostic work using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Each troubleshooting step builds upon the previous one, ensuring comprehensive coverage of the electrical connectivity and functionality of the system. Moreover, we highlighted the importance of preventive maintenance practices that can help in avoiding future occurrences of similar DTC codes and ensuring the vehicle operates efficiently. Implementing these insights is critical for technicians and Honda owners alike to maintain optimal vehicle performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.